Tequila Dave here. I'm just going to show this video. I got this lot not so long ago, and I did a search on YouTube trying to find anyone else who's decoded it, and I couldn't find any videos. So I'm not claiming this is a world first or anything like that, but I thought I'd post it up because I hadn't found any other videos on it. So this is a Yale Weatherproof 4-wheel combination padlock. It's an 879 55. The whole proper model number here. There you go. It's Y879 55 130/1 version 1. So it's it might look familiar, and you won't be wrong in thinking that it's very similar to one of these Masterlock keysafes, which, to be honest, it decodes very similar to it, but there are some differences, and I'll go over the differences now. First off, this one here, the numbers, the dials, they go around this way as many times as you want. They go around this way, and that's it. So let's see if we can get into about 0 or something like that. But they don't stop. You can spin them around as many times as you want. This, however, it's all set on zeros at the moment. You can spin all the dials round to right as many times as you want. That's fine. But doing them this way, they won't go past 0. See, I've just moved all those there. Oops, that one. And they've all gone back to 0. I can't go. I can only go right to the 9, then 8, then 7. I can't go back to the 1. So, well, first tip, I suppose, don't start mid-number, because if you're trying to decode it and maybe you're going around this way, something like that, you're getting halfway through, and then you get to that 0 and you can't do the other numbers. So the first thing I like to do is reset them all to 0. Anyway, sorry, I've got a cat on my lap at the moment. You've been really, oh yes, meow. Right, let's reset this. So, like I said, so right, just make sure they're all in a gate. Feels like they are. Close it. Mix them all up. Right. Now I've got a lock that I don't know the combination to. Right, now let's see, start them all off on 0. I'm going to do it with a decoder. Second tip, if you do have a multi-tool sort of thing with multiple decoders on, it's quite easy sometimes to grab 2 out at once and start going at it. Always check. Look, see, I've got 2 there. I don't need that one. I've done that a couple of times and I thought, why can't I feel this properly? This isn't working right. Anyway, make sure you just got the one decoder. The next big difference between this and the Masterlock is the side that you attack the wheels in. Now, I found on this one, you go in from the left, you don't get anything. I don't know if you can see the angle there. If you go in from the right or from the top, you need to do it from the top up here. So sorry about the camera angle. There we go. Ah, that's got a big drop now. Now when I try and go to the next number, you see how it's bringing that back, the decoder back. So that number there, whatever it is, you need to remember that. It's 2. So on to the next one. Again, we'll do it on the top. And wait for it. There we go. It's dropped right in. There we go. That next one brings it back up. So what's the next one? So what's that? 4. Next one. There we go. That number there. I don't know if you saw that, but it moves it up when I move that. That's a 7. And then the last one. Oh, there we go. A 0. Now again with the Masterlock, all you need to do is rotate each one of these 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Well, I think that was 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, and we've got an open. So those are the differences I've found. I think the fact that the left hand side of these doesn't work might not be a bad thing, because I haven't tried it yet. If you want to try grabbing the bar at the back, if that's your method of doing it, you might have more room if you come in on the left hand side as opposed to the top. But if you're decoding, trying to find a flat spot on the gate, you need to go in from the top of these wheels. Anyway, to Dave out.